Our crew's coming in a little awkward here. We can see the guy struggling to get the boat centered on the trailer, but I was more talking about the boat here in the orange. Our guy goes for the reach with the hand and the foot, misses both. Now we're drifting backwards. I mean, Cap, he could just put it into forward gear, chooses not to, leaves the helm, which I definitely don't recommend. Gonna push this one back off. I don't know why he didn't just give it a pop of forward to kind of bring him back around, but instead they get the push off. Our crew's back in the bow, ready to try and get this thing landed. And it looks like the push-off will probably get him over there. Our guy, he's going to go for the jump. Here we go. We got one line on, but we still got to find a way to get the stern around. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here at Point Marina. So our young lady hops off the boat, but there's no stern line, so it looks like they're going to rewrap this line back around, give it to Cap, and let him bring that as the stern line over. And that should be enough to get them alongside. And our crew pushes off, but the boat's in reverse, Cap. You gotta put it in neutral. No, he's not going to. He's gonna try and push off, but no, we're just gonna back the boat directly into the dock, hitting the engine in the dock. So Cap's gonna put it in forward gear. I guess he's gonna try and reset this one up and get it brought back over. And they're kind of analyzing the situation, trying to assess where they want to go this time. So it looks like Cap's going to back it up, try and line it up. So he's bringing it in. At a very, very slow pace for some reason. I can't tell exactly what they're doing. It looks like I mean, they had a dock over there. They could have went for it. It looks like he's trying to wait now for the dock on his starboard side, possibly instead. I guess he just didn't like that port docking situation. So here we go. He's going to try and line it up, and it looks like he's going to go ahead and make his approach on it. And Wifey's in the bow, on the ready with the lines. And she kind of almost falls for a second, tries to get it around the pole. And there we go, she's got it around, well, she's got it wrapped around, and she should be good to roll now. And our crew is stuck on the ramp. And not getting anywhere. Right there, they tried to get it a little bit, but it just kind of stayed exactly where it was. So we're kind of shot blocked on the tires here, so I can't tell if they're actually reversing some of the time or if they're sliding backwards. And, I mean, he started to go backwards before he hit the brake there. Gives it another shot. They're really not getting a whole lot on this. Probably needs to back it up a little further to try and get a little better running start, or try and solicit some other people to get into the back of the truck. So he's going to back up, try and line it up to do it one more time. So somebody walks up to the driver's side door, says something to him. And he's going to step onto the rear of the truck as well. And here comes a couple other people, and let's see if we can get the hands we need here. And there we go, getting a little traction now. They get up over the hump, and they'll be out of here. And our crew's coming in. We've got somebody with a stern line and a bow line, so we're 50% of the way there. Goes for a toss, miss, second toss, miss. And we wind up smacking the dock. So we smacked the dock, but nobody got a line on still, so we're still floating off. And he is drifting off good. Oh, maybe there is a line around one of the poles up there. But he's gonna let it go. I didn't even realize he caught it. I just saw the dock smack. He must have got it on when he was trying to push off the dock and just forgot it was there. So Cat backs out. He's gonna have to try it again. And there we go, we got the stern line on, kind of got the bow line, and I think he's got it around, and this crew should be good to go now. And Cap's coming in. I don't see anybody on the boat, so Cap, it looks like he's gonna try and pull this one off on his own. Oh, no, he's going to get the assist from Wifey, it looks like, on the dock, or I'm assuming she's with him. I mean, who needs lines when you got an assistant like this? So Cap's going to bring it forward a little bit for her, but still, you'd figure they would have had some kind of lines on the ready. Coming in a little hot. He's going to have to brake check this one back. And the first mate's gonna go ahead and grab it and pull him over. And it looks like the lines are on the wrong side, so he's gonna get them moved, and they should be good to go from there. And speaking of good to go, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.